Hey everyone, how you doing today or this evening, wherever you are? Hope you're doing well and staying safe out there. I guess one good thing about having all this craziness going on in the world is that us gardeners can stay in the garden and isolate that way, which is always awesome. Usually when I'm in the garden it's just me anyways, so it's perfect, works out well. Anyways, today I just want to do a quick video on my seed potatoes I got this week. I've been using my old potatoes and using them as seed, but last year was such a bad crop, the bugs, I got them really badly, the potato beet bugs. So my potatoes grew really small. I'll grab them in a minute here to show you what they look like. But I ordered two kinds this year. Fingerling banana potatoes, which is what I usually been growing. And actually, the ones I got about 7 years ago, they paid for themselves over and over, so I haven't had to buy new potatoes, which is awesome. And the other ones I'm trying this year are Yukon Gold potatoes. Figure to try those out. They're great for making French fries and frying up and roasting, so I figured I'd try those ones out. So I got mine from West Coast Seeds. As you know, I do a lot of West Coast seed orders. That's where I get most of my seeds, so that's where I order them from. They're always really reliable. So I got them in the box here. I think I got 1 kilogram of the fingerlings and half a kilogram of the Yukon Gold, just because they're a little bigger. But this is basically how they come. I got them about a week and a half ago, like I said. So these ones are actually starting to sprout the eyes on them. So this is how the potatoes grow. So to start your potatoes, you just kind of want to leave them out in the light if they have no eyes on them, and then they'll start growing and giving you the seeds. And I know some people, what they do, if you can see on here, there's a whole bunch. I'll bring the camera closer to show you up close. But some people will actually cut the potato in half to double your crop. I'm not sure if that works well or if it's good for the potato or not. I usually just plant them whole and then go from there. So these are the fingerling ones. Pretty excited. These ones are really good too. I like to roast some or make hash browns out of them for breakfast. Super tasty. Or if you just boil them, like slice them lightly, boil them, you can do potato salad with them. Especially right after you pick them. Best flavor. So here's the Yukon Gold ones, a little smaller. I always thought they were bigger potatoes, but maybe they'll grow bigger just because they're seed potatoes. So let's find one here that. So this one actually hasn't got many eyes on it yet, growing. So when it does, it'll start looking like these guys. So I'll bring them up quickly to show you what they look like here. So here you go. Here's the fingerling potatoes here. So I'll focus it there for you guys to see better. There you go. And you can see they got the eyes coming on them nicely here. So that's awesome. And then here's the Yukon Golds. They're looking nice too. So can't wait to get these planted up. And just here's a little descriptions here. I don't know if we can see that here on the video. Just the banana fingerlings. And then the Yukon Golds as well. So fingerlings are late season and Yukon Golds are about mid-season potatoes. I usually plant them fairly early in May, but this year I'm going to wait a bit longer, I think. I'll explain that in a second here once I put the camera. Okay, so the reason I'm going to try planting them a bit later this year, I usually try to get them in about mid-May, is I was talking to a master gardener friend of mine, and she always plants by the moon cycles, and she usually plants her potatoes at the end of, I think it's May, early June, just after the full moon has passed, and she's never had a problem with potato beetles. So I might try that this year and see how it goes, because as I was saying, they just destroyed my crops last year, and I got nothing worth my time. So I'll show you what I got here from last year. Obviously I got more than this, but this is just a few I pulled up from the closet. They've all been in here all winter and they've grown really well. Getting their little roots here to start growing. So you can see from the new seed potato to the old ones I've been using, the big difference in size. So these guys won't give me very good potatoes, I don't think, or very many. So you will want to get a really good, nice seed potato that's going to help you give you a better crop. I've been reading too that if you replenish your seed potatoes every 3-4 years, maybe even 5 years, you'll get a lot better crop out of it, and then it's definitely worth it. These ones were actually grown from the seed potato from West Coast Seeds about 6 years ago I got. So I mean, I definitely got my return on them. So I don't mind spending, I think it was like 15-20 bucks for a kilogram of the new potatoes, so it's well worth your investment because you can get years out of growing and saving some of the seeds from last year's crop to plant for this year's crop. But I just decided this year, time for some new potato seed and try another variety out as well. Yukon Gold ones, So excited to try that. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little video just on my seed potatoes. Let me know what your potatoes you're growing as well. I'm always looking for new ones to try. I've tried the purple Russian ones. They're not bad, but I've tried cooking them and can't find a good way to cook them, so I'm not a big fan of those. But yeah, let me know what you're growing, what varieties, so I love to try some new ones as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope everything's going well out there and you're having a good spring, getting your gardens ready, and you're ready to plant tons of food this year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share my videos around. Happy gardening, guys. We'll see you out there.